GM, everybody. All right, so we're going to do something a little bit brief and straight to the point. Those who will come later could catch up with the replay. A lot of things have been happening in the market after last week, Monday. We called that move after the channel we saw. We called for a breakup and some price continuation, and afterwards, we may have some downside spill. So that actually happened. The downside spill that actually happened in the market, and there is a whole lot we need to talk about in the market. But we're going to create a little bit more different session for that, where we'll be able to touch and let you know what's happening in the market. Talk about even the dead cross. I think the dead cross is one of the most talked about events. Different market analysts giving you different interpretation to about that. But you're going to get an interpretation from the smart investors board what that dead cross means, what this means for BTC, what this also means for alt and other portfolio. But once again, what we're going to do today is going to be a little bit more different, a little bit more straight to the point as usual. But then, without further ado, one very important thing we're going to have a very brief conversation about is the three market event we are watching out for, which uh, which which top on our list, which is happening today. Today is the U.S. initial jobless claim. So the weekly jobless data, which can actually affect the dollar strength and the overall market sentiment, is coming out today. Yeah, that today. This also, as well, at the end of the day, this is a very highly significant data, which at the end of the day also affects sentiment as well in the cryptocurrency market, with the forecast of about 262k new jobs, being anticipated will be added into the market. Another happening today is Zilliqa, which is having a mainnet upgrade. So this is actually a major hard fork bringing improvements, like a 7 day stake, unbounding period, so you could stake on stake, and also bring flexibility. So people who stake on this network can be more flexible instead of, so this means that there's flexibility where you could stake and unstake a coin without those unnecessary fixed period that always comes with it. This is quite a major upgrade to that ecosystem. And last but not least, which is Zcasin is actually having a token unlock as well today. So a total of 173 million, which is about 3.3% of the supply will be unlocked. And this event can actually influence both short-term price swing. Typically for those of you who have always followed the token unlock we used to watch out for here at the Smart Investors Board. Typical ones with this token unlock is that in most cases it used to lead to a downside spill, in the market. So while we dive into the market, these are the three market events we are watching out for. Then for technicals, if you're watching out for more of technicals and what we should watch out for this new weeks, within an hour, you're going to have technical analysis, and forecast for the week. It's going to drop on X. So do well to follow us on X, and you also have another data on our Telegram channel and also on Discord. So do well to catch up with our technical analysis, but then also watch out within the week. We are going to do a more in-depth analysis and also report of BTC dead cross. We are also going to anticipate have the market actually topped? If the markets have topped, what are we watching out for? The next data we'll be looking out for will be uh, if the market hasn't topped, does this support the thesis of a prolonged bull market? We'll look at this, and also more importantly, there are some tokens that, as Bitcoin is having this downside spill, as market dominance also is having this spillover at the same time. There are some alts that are well positioned and also having, it's favorable to them for them because these tokens are already pumping. One of those kind of tokens are privacy tokens. So we're going to give you our winners for privacy tokens we are looking out for. We'll also give you some gem coins that we think that, regardless of what's happening in the price of BTC, is still going to have a good high price swing. So this is our time. This is my time. Like I said, it's going to be a very brief time. Let me give you a recap of the three of the market event we are watching out for. Top on our list happening today is the US initial jobless claim. We also have the Zilliqa mainnet upgrade, and also the Zikatin Zikison token unlock as well happening today. So these are the three market events we are watching out for. Don't forget, if you must invest or trade the cryptocurrency market, make sure you're subscribed to the Smart Investors Board YouTube channel. If you're watching us from X, just do well to give us a follow. Do well, join our WhatsApp channel. Also, Telegram and Discord. Discord is a hub of traders and investors. Jump in there, make friends, and don't forget, if you must invest or trade this market, make sure you're investing and trading smartly, my friend. I'm going to see you tomorrow or next, where we're going to do a more in-depth analysis of the Bitcoin dead cross, and then we give you our verdict and also our price interpretation of what we expect overall in the market, in regards to this market update. Stay, my friend.